Hello everybody, welcome back to another setup video. Sorry about my terribly messy shed. I've been moving things around and things just kinda, yeah. So this is my Kawasaki TD24. This is my Maruyama BT23L. My Shindiwa T235. They all have speed feed heads. And Maruyama BT230L, I think. I'll have to check again. My Shindiwa T260, 61, I think. It's the blue guy. We got my hedge trimmer. So many there's my HCS 2810, great hedge trimmer. Then my Stihl BG 56C. I got rid of the Tanaka trimmer. It would not stop leaking out the cap, so I got this Shindiwa HT20. My dog's barking. I don't mind him. Works great. I love it. Then over here, I'm painting a scooter right now. It's just such a mess. This is my PB200. I gotta get a longer nozzle. I haven't been able to do that. I just keep forgetting about it. Oh, this is new. Or I haven't shown it, I don't think. This is my Husqvarna 140B backpack blower. It's pretty old. It looks like a new one, but the move that out of the way. The carburetor is pretty old. I got it adjusted properly. I always adjust these a little rich to make sure we don't get any scuffing or scoring on the pistons. I always run pretty rich. I also run rich on the oil. Then I got my God knows what, probably a Troy-Bilt or Craftsman pole hedge trimmer, and I also have a Troy-Bilt TB22 edger. Then my Kawasaki TMC, whatever the heck that is. I think it's a HT12. I think it's an HT12. I need to work on that. The carburetor went out. It just wouldn't stop leaking. I was running it just running it full throttle, then it just died. It's not seized. It's not worn out. I checked that, but it's the carburetor, or I'm thinking the points and condensers went bad. Not bad, but just need to be adjusted. That's all for this part. Let me move to the lawnmowers.